Sup guys, my name is Michael and I discuss about to the chemistry in the class is 10 and the medium is Note O2 and the English medium and the chapter is second incident based conceptual. I discuss about to the name of salts and common and industry uses. First salt is NaCl, sodium chloride. It is common only used as a table salt and for cooking purpose it is also used for de-icing road in winter and for a manufacture of sodium metal caustic soda washing soda and the second is Na2 and CO2. Sodium carbonate soda is it is used for the manufacture of glass, detergent, plus pulp and paper and other chemicals. And the third is Na2CO3 10H2O 10H2O sodium carbonate washing soda. It is used as cleaning agent for domestic and commercial purpose for source of water in manufacture of chemical like caustic soda, NaOH, broxyl glass, soap and paper. Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. It is used for the manufacture of glass, paper and detergent. Sodium silicone, Na2SiO3. It is used for the manufacture of detergent, cleaning agent and adhesively. NaClO3. Sodium chlorate. It is used for manufacture of explosive plastic and other chemicals. So sodium tetraboard. It is used for manufacture of hard resistance glass, Pyrex glass and animals in leather industry of soaking and cleaning hide. Calcium carbonate, calcium chloride, CaCl2. It is used for designed road in winter as a drying agent of chemical reagent and as freezing agent. Calcium oxide CO2 quicklime. It is used as drying agent for glass and alcohol and in steel and in drying agent for gases and alcohol and in steel, baking, water treatment, and other chemicals like salicylate, lime, bleaching powder, calcium chloride for purification of sugar, a mixture of CaO and NaOH called soda lime is used to remove carbon dioxide and water vapor and for air.